Hello friends, we're still in ROCKPORT, Texas. We're at the Coastal Mercantile building at 406 in ROCKPORT, Texas. We're going to be looking at some Christmas stuff. Push. Smells good in here. Wow. And Whippy looks all happy looking at all the Christmas stuff. We do not own the rights to this music. These? Yes. Trying to see a price. There's no price on it. Feels cool though. I thought it was wood.
Yes. I was thinking the same.
It's like leather. ROCKPORT is an artist community. Local artists are the ones that do these paintings. I like that one. Fulton Marina. That's a photograph. $1,200. The one of the bird, a blue herring, is $600. That's a painting. This is cool. Ripples. This one's $2,000. I'm gonna raise it up so y'all can see the pelicans. $500 for the pelicans.
The ginger house.
I like the sleigh. A lot of cookbooks. One stop. We do not own the rights to this music. There's a band playing. I like this tree. It's actually upside down, but it's pretty cool.
Yes.
We have a little bar over here. Pretty tree. Like this one. Dear Jolene, on second thoughts you can have them. Love, Dolly. My love. Dear Jolene, on second thoughts you can have them. Love, Dolly. Jolene, Jolene. Green chili. Bayou Brothers Gumbo Starter, Chili Starter, Carne Asada. We do not own the rights to this music that they're playing. Pickled baby cucumbers. Oh, I think she's gonna like this. How much is this one? $15.
So pretty.
They're paper placemats. There's 25. You just tear them away and put them down on the table. $15.
Oh, they are cute. With the housing.
I knew she would like. She loves anything nutcrackers. Anything nutcrackers. We're going to take this as well. She loves nutcrackers.
Yeah? They're,
We have almost 100.
oh my gosh, really?
I
Nice
think we're
collection.
like at 90, 98 or 99.
Oh my gosh, that's cool. Did they stay out all year round or they just come out for Christmas?
Just come out for Christmas.
Wow, do you have an extra apartment for them when they're not in?
We have 3 shelves that we clear everything off and we put all the nutcrackers on them.
Very cool.
I just got her one that stands about like 4 feet tall.
Yeah.
So that, you know what, that might be number 100. So
Oh wow.
she's still looking. She disappeared. Where did she go? Oh, I love the floor.
Wreath, but I guess you can hang them on a tree. She said she liked
You
nutcrackers.
Yeah.
These are pretty too.
Yeah, they are.
Cool. And then they have the Santa too. That's what it looks like on the package. It's like a piece of plexi, and it has that and nuts and nutcrackers and those things.
I like this one.
Mm-hmm. It's 30.
Oh,
I hope everybody enjoys this video of Rockport, Port Aransas, Texas during Thanksgiving weekend. My Whippy and I had a blast. And here's my lovely Whiffy. As you can see, she's hungry.
I'm hungry. I'm eating a popcorn.
We got Crunch and Bunch. So, but we really had fun. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe. It does mean a lot to us.